Good morning everyone, I am Mayfel Takadena and for today's video I will discuss about the process of mitosis and meiosis. The process of mitosis. Cell divides and produces in two ways, mitosis and meiosis. Meiosis results in two identical daughter cells, while meiosis results in four sex cells. Difference between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis involves the division of body cells, while meiosis involves the division of sex cells. The division of cells occurs once in mitosis but twice in meiosis. Two daughter cells are produced after mitosis and cytoplasmic division, while four daughter cells are produced after mitosis. Mitosis consists of one stage, whereas meiosis consists of two stages. Mitosis produces diploid cells 46 chromosomes, whereas meiosis produces haploid cells 23 chromosomes. Mitosis produces two identical daughter cells, whereas meiosis produces four genetically different daughter cells. Mitosis. This is the difference of mitosis and meiosis. What is mitosis? Mitosis is used to produce daughter cells that are genetically identical to the parent cells. The cell copies or replicates its chromosomes and then splits the copied chromosomes equally to make sure that each daughter cell has a full set. The stages of mitosis. First one is interphase. During mitosis, chromosomes will align, separate, and move into new daughter cells. The prefix inter means between, so interphase takes place between one mitotic phase and the next. The second one is prophase. When we say prophase, the initial stage of mitosis of the mitotic division of meiosis characterized by the condensation of chromosome consisting of two chromatids, disappearance of the molecules in nuclear membrane and formation of mitotic spindle. Late postphase. Early postphase, the nuclear membrane becomes more and more indistinct and the chromatin fiber become more and more packaged and condensed. Late postphase. The nuclear membrane and the nucleus finally vanish completely. Next is metaphase. When we say metaphase, it is a stage in the cell cycle where all the genetic material is condensing into chromosomes. Those chromosomes then become visible. During this stage, the nucleus disappears and the chromosomes appear in the cytoplasm of the cell. As metaphase continues, the cell's participation into the two daughter cells. Next is anaphase. When we say anaphase, in anaphase, the sister chromatids separate from each other and are pulled towards opposite end of the cell. The protein glue that holds and sister chromatids together is broken down, allowing them to separate. Each is now its own chromosomes. The chromosome of each pair are pulled towards opposite end of the cell. Next is the telophase. Telophase. During telophase, The chromosomes arrive the cell's pulse. The mitotic spindle disassembles and the vesicle that contains fragment of the original nuclear membrane assemble. Around the two set of chromosomes, this dephosphorylation result in the formation of a new nuclear membrane around each group of chromosomes. The last is the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the physical process that finally splits the parent cells into two identical daughter cells. During cytokinesis, the cell membrane pinch in the cell's equator, forming a cliff called the cleavage furrow. What is meiosis? Meiosis is a process where a single cell divides twice to produce four cells containing half the original amount of genetic information. Those cells are our sex cells, sperm in males, egg cells in females. During mitosis, one cell divides twice to form four daughter cells. Meiosis 2 is much more analogous to a mitotic division. In this case, the duplicated chromosomes line up on the metaphase plate with divided kinetochromes. Attached to kenotromes fiber from opposite poles during an anaphase 2, as in mitotic anaphase, the kinetochores divide one sister chromatids, now referred to other pole if it were not from the fact that there had been overcross. The two products of different because there has always been at least one overcross per chromosomes. Meiosis 2 is not a reproduction division because although there are fewer copies of the genome, it's a resulting cells. There is still one set of chromosomes as there was at the end of the mitosis 1. Comparing meiosis and mitosis. To summarize the genetic consequence of meiosis 1, the maternal and paternal genes are recombined by crossover events that occur between each homologous pair during prophase 1. In addition, the random assortment of the type on the metaphase plate produce a unique combination of maternal and paternal chromosomes that will make their way into the gametes. And that is for today's video. Thank you for listening.